I'm changing my careers. What do I do with my LinkedIn profile? This is a question we get a lot, and I've personally been there. I started my career in finance and transitioned into marketing. So this is something I have a lot of experience in. It starts with thinking about, first, you have to know how you want to position yourself going forward. So that's the groundwork. If you're taking this as a part of our branding program for personal branding, you've already thought this through. If not, think it through. So think about what is it you want to position yourself as. Then what I would do is go through all of the elements of my LinkedIn profile and think about, first of all, which elements present me as the new me. Second of all, which elements could I adapt to create either more transferable skills or to maybe highlight some of the experience that shows where I want to be? And then three, what sections could I add that would show where I want to be? So let me show you exactly what I mean by that. So the first thing I would do is I would look at my summary, and I'm going to reposition my summary, for example, to be what I want to be. I might write some posts about the new thing that I want to do, because posts are featured right at the top. It's a great way to bring more attention to this new area you're trying to develop. So I might start with a couple of posts. I would go through all of my experience and say, okay, look, I did this role back here, but could I reposition it in a way that makes it seem like I did some marketing in it? Or were there elements where I did some marketing? For example, now I do digital marketing training. When I worked at Procter & Gamble, my role was finance, but I actually ran a lot of training programs for the organization. So if I wanted to position myself more as a trainer, I'm going to go back through some of my older experiences and make sure I'm highlighting the things that are relevant to what I'm trying to do now. I may, if training was a significant enough part of my role, change my title even to financial manager, functional training or something. So again, you don't want to lie, but you want to position things in a way that works for where you're trying to go. So I would go through all the sections on my profile and start to say, okay, how do I reposition these if I can to really be where I want to be? Then I would look at, are there some sections that I don't have that really highlight this new area? So if I think about when I got started in marketing, I did a lot of volunteer work to start understanding social media and digital marketing well back in, 2007, so 10 years ago. So I might come in here and in my work experience, maybe I'm going to add some of the volunteer stuff where I'm playing a significant role and doing social media to show that I have this experience. So I'm going to come in here, look at all these sections, look at my skills, look at accomplishments that I can add, and try to add as much content that fits the new me as possible. The reality is that if you want to start shifting perceptions and you do want to start a new career, it's not the easiest thing in the world, regardless of LinkedIn, but LinkedIn can really work in your favor if you use it strategically to highlight the things that you're doing to really reposition yourself and get experience. And so writing posts is a great way to show thought leadership and passion for something. And even if you look at the following section, connecting and following people in your industry. So you can easily use LinkedIn to support a career transformation if you're smart about it.